Hi, this is the OPPO A38 and I'll show you how to link or unlink Google Assistant from Power Key on this device. So first we should open the Settings app and then tap to the Special Features or just use the Additional Settings, tap the Power button and click to press and hold Power menu. Power button, just switch Power menu to Voice Assistant, and now by pressing hold to the Power key, we could see that the Google Assistant successfully enabled. But to turn off the device afterward, you should press Power key button and volume up button together. As you could see, it's so simple. To unlink Google Assistant from Power Key, you should switch Voice Assistant to the Power menu. So thank you for watching, and if you like this video, leave thumbs up and subscribe.